My name is Kacey and I'm studying diagnostic radiography. I feel like there are many healthcare professions within the healthcare community, and one of the most I feel like unrecognised but most like valuable professions is radiography. I consider it the eyes of medicine, and I feel like it's a rewarding role to go into. Obviously, to gain new experience, probably new knowledge of anatomy. Obviously, prior education, like secondary school, A levels, you kind of just know about organs, you never actually see or touch or get to see them up close. So it's a exciting experience, kind of nervous though. Well, prior to going in there, I was a bit nervous. There was nothing too nervous about. Given that I'm going to be a diagnostic radiographer, that ranges from like CTs, X-rays, MRIs. Having an idea of gross anatomy will help me work alongside other healthcare professionals, help my patient have a better journey unto recovery. Like when you have people in there explaining their anatomy, it's kind of hard to comprehend that that person was once, a person full of life with like family and friends and whatever. So the way I overcame this was just kind of like accepting it and like being grateful because these people were like older people that had natural causes of death. The thing I'm most looking forward to about working in the DR is just more knowledge of gross anatomy. I know the basics, that we were taught in secondary school, primary school, A levels, but to actually see up close, be given the opportunity to examine different organs and their placements, it's much different than 2D pictures in any textbook. We're very much a 3D structure, different organs are larger than you thought or in a different place. You need to wear gloves and also like protective clothing such as a lab coat that fully buttons up. One of the main best practices that I had to exhibit today, which everyone should always exhibit in a DR, is respecting the person that is on the table. As I said before, like once a person, once full of life, and I feel like being respectful to them, acknowledging the fact that their last line wish was to try and help you further in your education should always be remembered and respected. So that was like one of the best practices that I learned today.